Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about the truth of manifesting your desires, because this is the key if you want to really manifest whatever that is that you want to manifest in your life. So definitely stay tuned and stick around. Coming up. Alright guys, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys are notified when I release new content, and let's get started. I want to talk about the truth of manifestation of your desires, and I'm not gonna go into law of attraction, none of that. What I want to talk about is really if you're trying to manifest maybe more abundance, maybe more money, maybe new business, maybe new relationship, maybe new location, whatever it is that you want to manifest. Maybe you want to manifest health. The very important thing is to realize that our desires are the blueprint. So what do I mean is that whatever you desire to call into your life, whatever you desire to manifest is absolutely achievable, and it's absolutely doable, and you wouldn't even have that desire at the first place if it wasn't possible for you to manifest it. And you need to absolutely know this, because many times, you know, when I coach my clients who are usually entrepreneurs, they have all kinds of desires. They want to usually manifest more abundance, more income, and so on. And sometimes they are even questioning their desires. They are not aware. Actually, they are aware of the desires, but they are questioning the validity of their desires, and they are even questioning if they are worthy to receive. And this is something that I want to emphasize. You always are worthy to receive. Especially if you have that particular desire, you wouldn't have it if it wasn't meant to be manifested in your reality. The way we create from the field. We create from the infinite field of possibilities, which is the quantum field. And this field has multiple, actually unlimited possibilities, unlimited universes that you can actually choose to manifest from. Or you can jump from one reality to another, if you will. And the fact that you have that desire is already showing you this is the blueprint. This is what you can manifest in this time and space, in this reality, in this 3D reality. But in order for you to really manifest it, you cannot feel guilty. You cannot question whether you are worthy of receiving it or not. Because here's the deal. If you start questioning whether you are worthy of receiving it, you will not receive it. The fact that you're already questioning whether you're worthy of receiving it is already canceling the manifestation process, because you cannot sit on two chairs. You cannot sit on the chair, in the chair of victim, and usually victims are questioning it, right? They don't believe they deserve it. Or you cannot be sitting on a chair of creator, because these are totally two different states of vibration. So you need to keep yourself stable vibrationally and really be sitting on that chair of creator, because then, only then, you will be able to hold that vibration for some time, and as a result you will manifest whatever that is that you want. And again, remember, your desires are your blueprints. So your desire is there for a reason, and I don't care how crazy that desire is. Actually, the crazier, the better. Why? Because you are, by choosing to believe that you are worthy to receive, and that is how you activate it actually. You start believing in yourself. So the fact that you believe in yourself is going to activate the manifestation process. So that's kind of the most important step. You gotta believe in yourself. And that is directly connected with that worthiness, meaning you are worthy to receive it. So once you understand and accept it, that I am worthy to receive whatever that I want to manifest, whatever that desire is, I'm activating that desire manifestation. Okay? Because if you really don't believe that you are worthy of receiving it, you won't even take the aligned action that is required in 3D reality if you want to manifest it. Because you will sabotage yourself. Because you will be coming from the place of victim, and you will be sabotaging over and over again the next action you were supposed to take. You will not take, because why should you take some action if you don't even believe you are worthy of receiving that abundance? So first you have to believe you are worthy. And number two, you have to believe that any kind of desire you have is there for a reason. In fact, the reason is that you can turn it into reality. That you can turn it into reality because you are creator of your destiny. So this is the truth about manifestation. You know, we have all kinds of manifestation techniques, law of attraction, blah, 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 but it comes down to that activation. You gotta activate that process, and it starts with believing that you are worthy to receive. And number two, once you start believing that you are worthy to receive and you understand that desire is your blueprint, your cosmic blueprint for your soul, actually given to you by your soul, that you are about to create based on that blueprint, that desired reality, you will create that desired reality. And it doesn't matter what it is, because again, your desire is there for a reason, and it's the blueprint given to you by your soul. And that is how you are creating your destiny, and that is how you are manifesting, and that is how you are experiencing this beautiful gift called life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Actually, I want to hear from you. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below. And for those who want to take their business to the next level, in terms of impact, in terms of income, you can book a call with me. Link is going to be below this video, and I cannot wait to talk to you and brainstorm how I can take your business and life to the next level. So much love, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.